Health is an essential component of happiness. Our primary mission is to care for patients' health and improve their quality of life. New Hospitals is a 280-bed multi-profile clinic of European standards, which has been providing high-quality medicine in Georgia since 2011 through its latest medical technologies, expertise and experience. Georgian and European physicians with broad professional experience provide patients with medical services and exceptional care. Patient care is provided in compliance with the recommendations of global medical communities and treatment protocols, implemented according to international standards. The nursing staff constantly undergoes professional training to deliver respectful and compassionate care to our patients. Our advantage lies in the medical competence and the most modern technologies, which are essential for accurate diagnosis and effective treatment procedures. New Hospitals is equipped with the latest medical technologies. RICUS internationally accredited laboratory validates the hospital equipment 12 times a year at an internationally recognized European organization. Since its establishment, for the well-being and safety of patients, New Hospitals has been creating the best infrastructure of European standards, which appears unique throughout the country and makes New Hospitals the best medical center in Georgia. The hospital is equipped with fully automated systems of ventilation, humidity, temperature, sterile airflow, medical distilled water and oxygen production, patient security and fire safety systems that are in full compliance with European standards. For the highest security and uninterrupted electricity, New Hospitals has 2 external and 2 autonomous systems for its power supply. We are constantly growing, exploring and introducing modern medical approaches. We provide future-oriented, quality medical services of the highest standard. Multi-profile clinic, New Hospitals. High-quality medicine.